Your CPU is gaming on the edge. Standard cooling just won't cut it. Time for a massive upgrade. Meet the MasterLiquid Core.
Hey, welcome to Unbox Unveil. Today we're going to unbox the Cooler Master MasterLiquid 120L core. Now, as you saw in that intro, when your CPU starts hitting those terrifying thermal limits, a standard stock fan just isn't going to cut it. You need a real solution, but do you actually need to spend a fortune on a massive radiator? Today we're looking at this budget-friendly 120mm AIO to see if it can keep your system cool, look incredibly clean, and save your PC from overheating. As we open the box, the first thing we're greeted with are the manuals. Digging deeper, everything is neatly packed. We have the 120mm radiator fan right on top, and right next to it, the AIO unit itself with those nicely braided tubes. Cooler Master includes all the brackets and mounting hardware you'll need, fully supporting both Intel and AMD setups, including modern sockets like LGA 1700 and AM5. And finally, we get our necessary screws and a nice little bonus, a tube of their premium CryoFuse thermal paste, which is a massive step up from the generic pre-applied stuff you usually get at this price point. Now let's talk about the installation. To be completely honest, this part is a bit tricky. If you don't know exactly what you're doing, you might want to think twice before attempting a self-installation. First things first, before you even pick up a screwdriver, you absolutely need to check your PC cabinet to see if it actually supports an AIO. Once you've verified your case is compatible, then and only then should you move forward with the installation. Inside the box, you get two types of mounting brackets, one for AMD and one for Intel. Just choose the one that matches your processor, place it carefully onto the backside of your motherboard, and secure it firmly in place with the provided screws. Next up, you get two metal mounts that need to be attached directly to the pump unit first. Go ahead and screw those into place. Next, you also need to attach the fan to the radiator. Honestly, this is by far the easiest part of the whole installation. Just line up the fan with the radiator holes, making sure the airflow is pointing the right way, and secure it tightly using the long radiator screws provided in the box. But before you place the pump onto your CPU, do not forget to apply your thermal paste onto the processor. Once the paste is on, carefully mount the pump unit right on top of the CPU and secure it down tightly with the screws. And there you go. Take a look at how it actually looks installed. That matte black pump head gives the motherboard an incredibly clean minimalist look. Once the system boots up, the subtle lighting adds a perfect premium touch without being overly flashy. Now let's see some results. If I run a heavy CPU benchmark test, you can see that the temperatures stay easily within 60 degrees for my Core i5 14400F. For a processor like this, that is an incredible result. It proves that despite being a compact 120mm budget cooler, the redesigned pump and expanded radiator on this Core edition handle mid-range gaming CPUs without breaking a sweat, keeping your system stable, completely silent, and safe from thermal throttling.